What's up, guys? Here TomCars and
Straight Figure Mag.
today I bring you guys a Stage 3 X5 with whole carbon fiber outside and inside. Let me show you this car from the front. You can see it's whole black, and down here the front bumper is whole carbon fiber. Crazy expensive carbon fiber, whole front this X5. I remember this is not an X5 van, this is just an X5 with inline 6 B58 engine.
With a turbo, right?
Twin turbo, bro.
Twin
not
turbo.
just a turbo. And check these wheels, it's whole orange color. I see the big brake inside, it's AM performance.
Wow.
I see the tire, it's pretty wide, 275. And check this mirror, it's whole carbon fiber. Hear the sounds. We forget one thing here. You see it's dirty here, but this is whole carbon fiber. Here to there, all carbon fiber around the car.
Whole kit.
On the same wheel, SP0. Check this P0. Crazy sport car on an SUV. And back to here, you see a very big, very huge carbon fiber wing. Whole carbon fiber. And we move down to the back here. All of these stuff are carbon fiber. This car is made by carbon fiber, guys. Whole carbon fiber. Okay, let me see this right side. This looks very beautiful. I think this is the most powerful X5 in the Toronto.
What's the horsepower on this?
The horsepower on the wheels, X-Drive, about 451 horsepower on the wheels. On the engine, it's more than 500.
Oh wow.
And remember, this is an inline 6, not the X5M, the V8 twin turbo. Remember, this is inline 6, guys. Crazy fast. And crazy pops. Check our test drive videos. You can hear the crazy pop like the AK-47.
Yeah. All right, so under the hood, we're taking a look.
Okay, let me check under the hood. But under the hood, you can't see anything. You only see the cover because everything make under there. And the FI, the sounds all come from FI.
Typical BMW, got the everything under the plastic.
Should say the sounds.
All right, thanks, Tom.
All right, thank you, Steve.
So what's going on inside, though? We gotta take a look inside.
Look inside.
So you're tall too, right? You're like
I'm
6'7".
6'7" and 300 pounds. I'm a big guy, bro.
But you're comfortable in this.
Yeah, X5 is a pretty big mid-size SUV.
Okay. So what do we got going on in here?
And here is a whole carbon fiber steering wheels, and whole carbon fiber shifting pedals. Crazy and beautiful.
Big shifting paddles.
Yes, because this sounds big, must get the big shifting pedals, bro.
Yeah.
I see the two screens. Very beautiful. And you can change the color for the lights. In the lights, it looks like a club.
There's a little boost gauge up there.
Yes, let me show you the boost gauge, bro. Check this. Okay, let's go outside. Back side to have a look at this. Pretty big, but the front seat have moved to back.
That nice leather.
Yeah, real leather. And here, check the window.
Oh, let's take a look. Oh, so you guys see the roof up there too.
Sunroof, beautiful, easy to use.
Okay, in the trunk?
Trunk, pretty big. This is an SUV, remember this? You can take your family. This is up, this is down. Automatic.
Wow.
Amazing. If you need to have a touring, choose the X5.
Lots of room, lots of room.
Yes. All automatic, bro.
All right, Tom, any last words?
Thank you guys for watching. Remember subscribe to my channel, TomCars, and Steve's channel.
Straight Figure Mag.
And my Instagram 666tom999. Easy to remember. Remember to follow it.
All right, guys. So appreciate that, Tom, for the.
Appreciate to Steve. Peace, bro.
All right, you guys saw it. It's the X5. Quick little run around, just to end it off. Clean, clean, twin turbo. Wrap on that. All right, guys. Straight Figure Mag, Tom's Cars. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and that's it. We're out. Peace. Tom.
Bye, guys.
Thanks, Tom.